Hello and welcome to The Foodie. You're watching the Healthy Binge series and I am Sid Khullar. Today we're going to make a double-layer chicken sandwich. Double-layered chicken sandwich is a very versatile thing. You can have it anytime you like. Serve it for tea, serve it for snacks, even have it as a light lunch or tiffin mein bhi de sakte hain. Best part is that it is so easy to make and you're going to love it. Let's start. The first thing we're going to do is make the filling for our sandwich. The filling contains chicken, zucchini, onions and garlic. So let's start with putting a bit of oil into the pan and heating it up. Now some onions. उसके बाद some zucchini, finely diced. अब थोड़ा सा chicken. And finally, some garlic. इसको अच्छे से कुक कर लीजिएगा और जब चिकन पक जाए, take it off the fire and let it cool for a little while. इसमें हम अभी कोई seasoning नहीं डालेंगे. This will be the base of our sandwich. तो इसके cool होने के बाद we'll take it off the fire, mix it with some other stuff and the seasoning there, and then we'll put it in our sandwich. So don't worry, it'll have flavor. There, that's all the time it takes, just a few minutes. All right, our chicken is done now. अब इसको थोड़ा साइड में रखते हैं, इसको ठंडा होने दीजिए. And in the meantime, let's make an omelette. Our chicken and zucchini and garlic and onion mixture is cooled by now. We'll mix it with some other spices and mayonnaise and all of that. इसके अंदर हम डालेंगे some corn. This is the same corn that you get in the market. It is frozen. इसको हमने थोड़े पानी में डाल के defrost कर दिया है. These are nice and juicy, somewhat sweet, and they add a little burst of flavor in anything you put them into. अगला हम डालेंगे इसमें पुदीना. I just love पुदीना. देखने से ही fresh लगता है. And when you taste it, it adds this burst of freshness to every bite. Just love it. And now, a little bit of salt. And now into this, we're going to put some mayonnaise. You can choose any kind of thing you want. For example, अगर आप चाहें तो इसमें hunkered भी डाल सकते हैं. I'm choosing mayonnaise. It's simple for now and I don't have any hunker at the moment. But you can definitely try it. It'll be even lesser calorie and it might be even tastier. Give it a shot. Tell me how it turns out. Now we got to mix it nicely, so every bit of this mixture is bound together. It should not fall off the sandwich. Our omelette is ready, our tomatoes are ready, bread is there, cheese is there, and the main hero, the chicken filling. Let's start assembling our sandwiches now. So first of all, we'll take 3 slices of bread. अच्छा, अब इस पर हम डालेंगे our chicken mixture. And now we'll cover that with this. अब इसके ऊपर डालेंगे 1 slice cheese. If you want, you can put any cheese you like. इसके बाद डालें some tomatoes on this. The purpose of the cheese is to protect the bread from both sides from the juice of the tomato. अगर आप अपने टमाटर थोड़े पतले काटें, then you can actually layer them one on top of the other like this and the sandwich will still be quite manageable. And we'll put a bit of pepper on this. And we'll put this lovely omelette on top of that. If you don't like mustard, you can use anything else you want. Personally, I love mustard. जितना ज़्यादा strong, उतना ज़्यादा अच्छा. अब इसका जो चिकन वाला हिस्सा है, that is actually the top of the sandwich. So now we're going to take this whole sandwich and turn it over and put it like this. All right, now remember when you're cutting this, you need to be a little careful and use a sharp knife. नहीं तो कट करते करते आपका सैंडविच बन जाएगा सैंडविच, अंडा और चिकन की भुर्जी. And that was our double-layered chicken sandwich. It's a very versatile thing. You can pack it with as many nutrients as you want. Children are just going to love it. Add it in their tiffin and they'll love you forever. I hope you enjoyed this, and if you have any more ideas for the fillings, please do share it with me. Hello and welcome to The Foodie. You're watching the Healthy Binge series and I am Sid Kuller. Today we have smoothies for the entire family. Keto savory smoothies for the grown-ups and fruit smoothies for the children. We not only can eat healthy, we can also drink healthy, which means with these smoothies you can replace an entire meal. The best part? They just take a few minutes to make. All you have is a little bit of yogurt in a jar, some fruits, some vegetables, and we're done. So if you're ready, let's start. The first smoothie we're making is a keto smoothie for the mom and dad. We'll start with yogurt. The next ingredient is broccoli that has been cooked for a couple of minutes in boiling water. इसके बाद हम इसमें डालेंगे cucumber. Cucumber has very few calories and it's a brilliant snack. इसके बाद हम डालेंगे some spinach which has also been blanched and some paneer. अब डालेंगे अंदर थोड़ा सा जीरा पाउडर. And now some garam masala. And some salt to make this interesting. और finally थोड़े से de-seeded green chilies for that zing. Shut the lid and we're good to go. I tell you, this is going to be so tasty, you won't even miss not having lunch. सारे के सारे flavor मिलेंगे, पेट भी भरेगा और साथ में पोषण भी. And now we'll pour it into a pretty little mug because everything in pretty little mugs tastes so much better. First some papaya. And now some grapes. And finally some strawberries. Now some yogurt into the mixture. As you can see, these smoothies used absolutely nothing outside of your kitchen, absolutely no artificial flavors, no artificial colors, and they look brilliant. Your kids are going to love them, and so are you. These are the perfect smoothies for you and your family, and when you enjoy them, do leave a comment. I'd love to know what you think.